Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Sling employee scheduling app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Sling is an employee scheduling and workforce management app designed to help businesses create, manage, and track staff shifts with ease. It's available on both iOS and Android, and it's commonly used by restaurants, retail stores, hospitality teams, healthcare groups, and other shift-based workplaces. The app allows managers to build schedules, avoid shift conflicts, and communicate with their teams, all from one centralized platform. One of its core features is shift scheduling. Managers can create weekly or monthly schedules, assign shifts, and notify employees instantly. Sling also includes time-off management, availability tracking, and shift-swapping tools so teams can adjust their schedules when needed. Additionally, the app provides built-in team messaging, task assignments, and announcements to keep everyone updated. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how Sling performs in real-world use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, drag-and-drop scheduling tools, and color-coded shift views. The in-app messaging system helps reduce confusion and keeps communication organized without needing external apps. Employees also find it easy to check their schedules, request leave, and get reminders for upcoming shifts. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some advanced features, like time tracking and labor cost analysis, require a paid plan. Larger teams sometimes experience occasional sync delays, and a few users say the notifications can be inconsistent depending on device settings. The learning curve may also feel a bit high for managers using scheduling software for the first time. In summary, the Sling app may be worth using if your team needs reliable scheduling tools, built-in communication, and easier shift coordination. However, if you're looking for fully free advanced features or require highly customized workflows, Sling might not meet every need. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.